Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can leave a feedback in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then scroll down and click on the Contact Us button, and then click on the Feedback button. And first there's a question that what was your primary reason for visiting the Southwest Airlines app today, and then you can just leave an answer. And then they ask if you were able to accomplish your goal, and then if yes, just click on yes, and of course no, then no, and if not, then you can contact them, and then just click on the Send Feedback button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.